Parmigiani Fleurier Toric Chronographe Rattrapante watch. Main features are case diameter 42.5 m, case thickness 14.4 m, movement in house caliber PF 361, manual wind 18 carats rose gold, frequency 5 Hz or 36,000 vibrations per hour, high beat, power reserve 65 hours. Number of components, joules 285 components, 35 joules. Water resistance 30 meters, 3 atm. Entirely 18-seat gold architecture. The main plates and bridges are forged completely from solid 18 CT rose gold. Integrated Rattrapante logic. This is a pure split-seconds chronograph built from the ground up, utilizing an integrated architecture controlled by dual-column wheels and a vertical clutch mechanism. It enables timing simultaneous overlapping events down to 1/10 of a second. Arabesque aesthetics. The bridges are meticulously open-worked and skeletonized into winding curves that echo organic arabesque patterns, providing full visibility into the hand-beveled, mirror-polished, and satin-finished chronograph steel clamps and springs underneath. The bezel and pushers showcases the signature hand-knurled and stepped bezel pattern inspired by Greek Doric columns. This architectural layout is echoed by elegant, flat oval chronograph pushers integrated seamlessly alongside the crown. Gold chev dials. The dials are crafted on a solid gold base, finished with a subtle curvature, chev, at the outer edge, and decorated with delicate hand-applied textures to eliminate reflective glare.